In January 2014, I thought I needed to learn something exciting, new, and fun. So I read books and watched videos about beekeeping. I got a package of bees in April 2014 and caught a swarm in July 2014. Both hives are doing well. My three grandsons, Ben 7, Alex 7, and Brayden 5, were elbow deep in bees last summer. Ben decided he needed his own beehive, so he got a package of bees as part of his Christmas present. Today, April 16th, we're at school to show the other students his 10,000 bees. This is Ben's package of bees. He's going to tell you about them.
Well, I wanted these when I was 7 and a long time ago, before Christmas, and so I got them last day, and so I have been like watching them, learn about them and stuff like that, and I've liked it.
So,
and I have my beehive at home and everything.
So how many bees are in there, Ben?
10,000. 10,000.
Wow.
Crisscross applesauce.
And one queen.
One queen, she's with $25. All the rest are with $75. And there's 3/4, a penny for 3 of them.
For one of them.
For one. Okay, Alex, she's in that box.
See that box there, guys? That's where the queen's at.
See that can right there?
Yeah. I'm going to show you.
That's sugar water.
These ones around her are either trying to kill or feed her. And if she wasn't in that cage, she would get killed and eaten. Me and Alex, I saw this one that was about as big as a queen, right, Papa?
Yeah, we saw one that's bigger. It was probably a drone.
There we go. How did he put that in the can? This? Yeah, can. Oh.
So we bought it this way. So when we get home today, and we're going to be videoing this for everybody to watch, we're going to take that top off and take the can out and get the queen in the hive and turn this upside down.
And I'm going to dump it all in the hive.
All right.
Just like this. And then they're going to go flying out this hole.
Out that hole into the hive. And we hope they want to stay there and be Ben's first hive.
What if they sting you?
So once the queen is out, will they be okay with her? Will they?
Might not, might. Or they will eat. Or they will eat. 50-50 chance.
Okay.
Well, probably a little more than 50-50. Probably a lot more than 50-50. But there is a chance that they could take off or they could kill her. A lot of things can happen. Now we're at Ben's house installing the bees we purchased from the bee barn in Paducah, Kentucky. The hive is Eastern Cedar from Ozark Cedar Hives. And I don't have my bee suit on, so I'm not ready. I've got my bee suit on. We're ready. Okay, so we have got some sugar water here that Ben is going to spray these bees with to calm them down a little bit. And I'm going to get the screwdriver and take the...
Here you go.
Thank you, Alex.
Top off.
Take the top off. And they shouldn't be many bees come out because the can is there. But I'm going to hand this to Ben.
That can's going to be hard to get out.
And I'm going to get rid of that staple so it makes a good seal. Okay, now I've got to get the can out and remove that staple.
This is going to be hard work.
Okay, now we're going to try to get the can out.
Looks like you're doing
and
good.
It's coming out.
Yeah, that's it coming out. That was easy.
Okay, Alex, you come over here.
Okay.
And you get the can. And Ben,
Slip it. Go, 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 go.
one bee escaped is all. No 3 or 4. So set the can over here, Alex. And now
Oh, more.
we're going to knock them down again. And Ben, get ready to spray them. Spray down in the hole. And while he's doing that, I'm going to get the queen off. Or attempt to.
Hey, Brayden, move to the side, okay, so that Grandma can see.
Okay, now put the lid back, the board back on, Brayden. Okay, now we have got to look at all the bees all over that queen, guys. And we've got to make sure she is alive. We're going to knock those bees down in there. I can see all kind of movement, but I can't see a queen.
Looks like.
Oh, I got more than one in there.
Yeah, there she is. She's a big, nice
Yep,
queen.
there she is.
There she is.
Where
Okay,
is she?
that big bee right there. So now we've got a rubber band somewhere. We're going to take the cork out with this little screwdriver.
Brayden, honey, don't catch the bees. Leave them alone.
And I push the cork in instead of out.
There's a bee trying to get on your game.
That is never good.
Yep. Try on the other side. Good.
Okay, I have got the cork coming. The cork is out.
Good.
The cork is out and the cork is in. Somebody, do we know where the rubber band is? We have got to have a rubber band.
I've
It
got
might be
extra.
in the back of the truck.
I've got extra right here.
Okay. Again, our support staff is coming through.
And we are back to the show.
And we're back to the show. Okay. Hold this rubber band, Brayden.
He did.
Okay. Let me have that rubber band, Brayden.
Got me trying to get it.
Rubber band from Brayden. And we're going to rubber band the
Stretch
queen
it.
cage to this frame right in the middle, and we have got almost had it in backwards. We have got the candy end up for the queen. Okay, there we go.
That's the queen.
We put the queen in right there.
And now are we about
Now
ready to
then,
go to-
Ben, you need to spray some more.
I already sprayed a whole lot
Okay, let's spray more anyway.
until it's all gone.
Yeah.
What? I don't get a turn.
Okay, well, yeah, that's right. Here. Okay, it's your turn. Spray away.
I'll be dead.
That's okay. It's okay. Now then, you guys need to come back here. Brayden,
I need a turn.
we're gonna knock them bees down
Okay,
again.
Brayden, go back there behind it, okay?
Something's still in there.
Brayden,
Brayden, come back behind. Alex wants to spray a little bit. I'm gonna knock them down.
Where's space?
Now, spray them all again. Okay, that's good, guys. Now then, here is the moment that we've all been waiting for. Okay, Ben, you know where they go.
Let it
Dump them in, Ben.
dump! Dump!
Look at them go. We have bees.
We're in progress.
That wasn't too good.
But we're still in progress.
Okay. Alex, you want to dump a few bees?
And then can I dump a
You can
few
dump a few bees too, Brayden. They're just almost all out. we're having a little trouble. Okay. Brayden, why don't you come and dump some bees? Come around here. Come around here.
Looks like they like your hive.
Grab a hold. Dump. Okay. We're going to put the rest of them right out here at the front of the hive where they can get in on their own.
Try not to push them.
Now, we're going to start putting frames in.
Ben, put it down, bud.
I was gonna get more out.
They'll come out.
Ben, put it
Put
down.
them back. Now, we're going to start putting these frames in, but we're not going to mash them. We're going
Move them to the side.
to, okay, now, let's start putting these frames in. But we're going to do it real easy because there is a bunch of bees there,
Are we
and
gonna
we
let
do
them
not
crawl
want
up?
to mash them. Okay,
Well, they-
put that down just really slow, guys. Somebody grab it and put it down really slow.
So some other time we're gonna fix it. Look.
Okay, see how they're going down now? The bees are getting out of the way, and they're going down. Put one in, Ben.
They don't want to get smashed.
Alex, you put one in. Don't mash them. Just put it in very slow, and the weight of the frame will knock them down. They're going down. Okay, guys, they are ready. So now we're going to put our inside roof on top. Okay, let's do that, guys. Let's rake these bees out of the way so we don't mash them, because every one, and be gentle when you rake. Every one is precious. Now we've got some food prepared here. We've got
Careful, boys.
pollen patty
This.
syrup. We've got some pollen patty, and we've got some sugar water
Wait,
for them to eat.
Is that good syrup?
Yeah, that's good syrup. They will eat that right up. And now,
Will they make honey out of it?
yes, we're going to put that on that frame, and we've got our installation almost done, boys. And the roof is on. We're done. Now, bees, you have to find your outside bees have got to find your way in. So,
I'm gonna start getting away.
no, you stay right here. Stay right here beside the bees, and we're going to put this beehive right here, this box, and let the rest of them go in. Thanks for watching. It's kind of hot in this suit. The video. Remember, do something fun with someone that you love. Kathy and Grandma, would you step in with us? This is our support staff, Grandma and Kathy.
I don't know that.
Look, there's a tick on it. There's a tick.
Okay.
Okay, I got
Okay. Do something fun with someone you love, and we sure have, haven't we, guys?
Yes!
Okay.
Have a great day!
Bye now! See you later!